on the, it's either horse
Come on, we need some more riders up this way, let's go!
Skydiver, paratrooper.
Let's go, sit back and ready, let's go!
Here we go guys on, I don't know if it's horns or whites, it's either horns or whites, it's one of the two, but here we go on horns. I don't know if it's horns or whites, I'm saying both. I think it's horns. Like paratroopers. Quite a nice fast side kick. I always think these, although I've never been on a Enterprise, I always think they feel or look similar to Enterprise. Oh yeah, we're going up guys. Oh, you can feel the sea breeze up here, like. Let me know in the comments, guys, as well, this video, if you've ever been to a fair that's this close to the sea. Wow, you get a good view of the sea at the top. Yeah. Oh, this is brilliant. That's my first time in ages for a paratrooper, guys. Just bang my head. Quite breezy at the top. Yeah. Whoa.
Come on, step this way. Next one, let's go.
Yeah. Quite good cycle, guys. For £3.50 this one was. I've been on for about 3 minutes so far. Bad. Oh. I forgot how weird paratroopers feel. Because I remember my first time to light them on.
Okay, riders, does everybody want some more?
Yeah!
If you want some more, I want to see everybody's hands in the air. I want to see the hands in the air. Wow, it's getting faster! Yeah. Oh wow, it's fast now! Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Brilliant. That was the Skydiver Paratrooper 2025 Lunch Market, kirkaldy. Place yourself back on the ground. Let's go. Next one. Come on, we need some more.
3 more rides left and I'm going home. I'm saving the big one till last. I know it's not a bomber, it's a roller coaster.
Just everybody keep around the outside and walk around the outside, please. Come on, we need some more this way, let's go!